off guard right now. Let me, I gotta record this, okay?
Okay.
All right, can you just tell me one more time what you just said?
So I went to see my doctor yesterday,
Mhm.
and I didn't tell her that I was off the medication. So I was on lisinopril for cholesterol, or no, lisinopril for my kidneys to protect it from the other medication that she had me on. I was
Mhm.
taking a cholesterol medication and I was taking Ozempic for my diabetes. When I got my results back yesterday, my A1C was down to 5.8. All my levels were looking good. Cholesterol looked good, high blood pressure, everything was good. So she told me to continue taking my medicine.
Right.
So I'm
Okay.
going to continue taking my medicine.
Right. 100%. 100%.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. So
Yeah.
look, that is so dope and beautiful to hear. You feel me? Like just to know that you making that kind of progress that you want to make. You feel me? And you've been dealing with this for how long?
Ooh, I honestly, that's what I was trying to figure out. I don't even remember quite exactly when we started.
Yeah.
So just in that little bit of time, progress has been made,
Mhm.
and I'm feeling really good about that.
Okay, okay, good. So that makes me obviously that makes me so happy to hear. My thing is this. I think we should just keep going with it. You feel me? Actually, I can probably look and tell right now, like how long we've been doing this if I look at your profile. Just give me a hot second. So
Okay.
we've been doing this since I believe it was like the 8th or the 9th. So the beginning of this month. Yeah. Yeah. So this
Yeah.
is about to be a month.
Yeah,
Cool.
because my juicer, I remember my juicer crapped out on me and I replaced it 9-2. I was juicing so tough with that one, I broke a piece off in it.
Wow.
And I had to return it to Bed Bath and Beyond, and so I took it back and got a new one. So that's when I bought that. The juicer that I had was on September the 2nd.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
This is so good news. Okay, cool. So just to let everybody know, right? That's gonna be watching this later on or whatnot. You've been on just nothing but everything that I was telling you, right? You haven't had no meat, you haven't had no kind of garbage. You just been on straight fruits, correct? Straight fruits. And it's just straight fruit
Um,
juices,
a salad here and there if I get hungry enough,
right?
but none of the other stuff.
Right. And that's really all you really need. Cause like once you start to feel that kind of hunger, you feel me? It's good to just have, like I was telling you, the reason why I told you to have a salad is because it'll balance you out. You feel me? Okay, cool. So you just been on really just juices and an occasional salad here and there.
And that's one of the questions I have for you. Do I need herbs in its like whole form, or do I need it in powder form?
Good question. So look, the reason why I tell people all the time is like, and this is part of the reason why I'm actually going to be starting up my tea business, but um herbs are like the ones that you get from the store that's in like the little tea bag. That's cool, you feel me, to start out with, right? When you just getting an introduction into like herbology and stuff like that, or if you got like a little code and all that. But
Mm-hmm.
when you want to really start to detox, you feel me, and cleanse your body out of something that you're dealing with, it's important that you get like herbs that are not from, like, say, I don't know, Trader Joe's or Sprouts or something like that, because they come in tea bags that have plastic in them. Okay. So the reason why you don't want to do that is because you'll be putting that plastic in your tea and you'll get that kind of like plasticky kind of taste, and that can also have an effect or prevent the healing that is trying to, happen in
Right.
the body. So
So
yeah.
these were bulk herbs. And I can't think of the place. This was an online store that I was looking at. They're bulk herbs. It's organic, but it also comes in like powder or in like whole, the flour or whatever. So do you prefer,
You
or
always want the
extract was
listen,
another.
your whole transition. And by the way, like I said already, like this is really good news. Okay. Keep going with it. You feel me? I would say let's make it to like a month and a half um of just doing strictly you know strictly just like mainly fruits, right? What you're doing right now. And around that time is when you can kind of enter like the whole foods kind of realm, you know?
I don't mess with any of that stuff.
Yes.
I don't, so like you said, are you willing to put down what's making you sick? It's like telling somebody who has lung cancer that they need to stop smoking. You know, their mentality is, I have lung cancer, why do I need to stop smoking?
Right.
You know, or I don't know what I'm going to do with my hands. You know, it's always something. I'm glad I don't have that mentality.
Yeah.
I'm very glad I'm willing to say, you know what? I'm good. I can leave it alone.
Right.
I can leave it alone, because if it's making me sick, it's my grandbabies were here today. I have 9 grandbabies and 2 more on the way. I want to see my grandbabies. I want my grandbabies to know me. My parents died young. When my daughter was 3 years old. My mom was gone before that. So my daughter didn't even really know my mother. She got a chance to be around my dad for like 3 years, and that was it. I want my grandbabies to know me. My oldest is 12 years old. So I've been in her life for 12 years. My youngest is 1 year old. So by no means am I trying to remove myself before, you know, it's my time. I want to spend as much time with my family as I can. So I'm willing to say, excuse my language, I'm willing to say, fuck it.
That's right. That's right. That's right. 100%. And that's the reason why you're getting these results right now, is because you're saying, fuck it. You know,
I was blown away when I looked at my results. I'm like 5.8. Do you know how long I've struggled to get my A1C under control? Like, literally, when she put me on the Ozempic, my A1C went from 9.9 and dropped to 6.1. I was dancing the jig when that happened. When I got my results back yesterday and my A1C was down to 5. Man, I was like, okay, I already know I'm on the right track. When she said, keep taking your medicine, you got it, doc. I'll keep taking my medicine.
Say less, doc.
Right?
Love it. I love it.